Hello students, welcome back to the data file handling program discussion. In last video I have explained this program. This is to just show the line starting with H from the file pom.txt. So from this, if this is the content within this file, then these two lines need to be displayed. So let's see the program for that. So this is to write it as a function. So here I am using a function hread to read the file pom.txt. So I have opened the file with the read mode. Then all the content at a time I am reading that to the variable all using read lines. Read lines read the entire content. So that is there in all. Then using a for loop for L in all, I am just looping through the content I have got in all. From that each line is taken and I am just checking whether L of 0. The starting with H means the first letter must be H. So the index for first letter is 0. So L of 0 is equal to capital letter H or small letter h. That is checked, and if that is satisfying, we are just printing it. Because this is a function, I am calling this function here. So let's execute this program. We already have that pom.txt. Let's see the pom.txt. Already the content is there in this file. So this is our file. Now let's execute our program. See, these two lines are displayed because these two lines are starting with the letter H. Now let's proceed with the next program. That is to write a function to read the file intro.txt and count the number of times m occur in the file. If this is the content of that file, then my is there 10 times, including the small letter and the capital letter. But look at this, Jamie contains my, but that is not a single word. So we need to avoid these type of mi. The single word mi need to be counted. So let's see the program for that. So let's see, first we need to open the file for the reading purpose. So intro.txt is opened for the reading purpose, and after that here also we are writing this with functions count my as given in the question. Then we are opening the file for read purpose, and here we need a counter. Count variable is needed because we need to count the number of my. Now we have reading the entire content to a variable data using the read function. The entire content is there in a data. Now this data is split so that I will get each words to this words variable. Word by word I am taking this. Then using a loop I am checking each word and taking each word from the words using for loop. Then after that we are checking whether this word is in and converting that to lowercase, because some of my is capital letter. So to avoid that, otherwise we need to check all possibilities. So to avoid that, this word is converted to lowercase and checking again with the lower my, and if that is satisfying, we are increasing the counter. So then afterwards, after coming out from the loop, we are just displaying that. Okay, and here is the function call. Let's see this program. We already entered the content to this intro.txt. So let's execute the program. So look at this, 10 times my occurs because already we have this intro file. Let's open this intro file, intro.txt. This is the file. So the file the exact same content I have stored in this intro.txt. From that 10 times mi occurs. So you can count any words from the text file like this. Now let's see another program. Here also word count we need to do, but here two words we need to count, his or her. His or her need to be counted. So here his or her need to be counted. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 his or hers are there. So let's see the program for that. 4 times his or her. Let's see how we can count. Just the same technique can be used just like the above program. Same way you can do that, but here two words, just one more checking is coming, that's all. So here we are checking for his or her. So open the file, this para.txt for read mode, and here a counter is used. We read the data using this read method, then split the words, then using the loop we are converting to lower and checking against with his and also her. If any of this is satisfying, we are increasing the counter. Let's execute the program. The function call is here, so let's execute the program. When we execute the program, the answer is 2 times only. 2 times. The problem here, but actually it is 4 times, but I have stored the same thing, para.txt. I have there is same content I have stored here, but the problem here is his is coming after, and the full stop is coming after this his, and also this hers. That is why it shows only 2, because this is considered as his and a full stop. So to get that also you can add one more checking here. His full stop also can be added if you want. Okay, then it will shows 4 times. If you want, you can make the change like this. So this is that program. Now let's see the next program. Next program is to display the, to read the file camera.txt and to display uppercase alphabets present in the file. We want to just display uppercase alphabets. So let's see the program for that. Here we want to read the file in, so open the file in read mode, and we just want to display only the uppercase letters. So we have a function to check whether it is an uppercase letter. So we have opened the file, read the entire content to DAT, and each character by character we are taking here, not word by word. Here we are taking character by character, so no need to split the content, just by character using a loop you can take that, and checking whether it is in uppercase letters using is upper. Is upper, if it is true, it shows the uppercase letters, and if it is uppercase we are displaying that, and then we are closing the coming out from the loop, we are just closing the file. Okay, so this is how we done the program. Let's call the function for this. Okay, let's say execute the function and see the output, the indentation problem, sorry. So the uppercase letters are displayed. So that's all in this about this program. Let's continue the next programs in next video. Thank you.